Hey guys, welcome back to my channel German with Siddhant. My name is Siddhant Miglani, your German language trainer. In this video, we have 26 types of animals explained both in singular and plural forms and followed by the pronunciation and translation from German to English language. So, let's start the session. Animals in German. In this lesson, we have 26 types of animals translated from German to English. Moreover, I have categorized these animals both in singular and plural forms. First, we have the translation for the word animal. The word is das Tier. The word is in singular form. Then we have animals, which is plural. The word is die Tiere, plural form. As we can figure it out, in singular form the word is das Tier, but in plural we have die Tiere. We have extra e at the last position. Our first animal is bear. The word is der Bear, singular form. Plural, bears. The word is die Bären, plural form. Again, we have a slight variation in the spelling. In plural form, we have extra en and the last position. In both the words, we have ewe umlaut. Ewe umlaut means we usually put two dots above the letter A. So we call it ewe umlaut. So ewe umlaut has a pronunciation of A. So we call it der Bear, singular form, die Bären, plural form. Dog, der Hund, singular form. Dogs, die Hunde, plural form. We have extra e at the last position, die Hunde, plural form, dogs. Next, cat, die Katze, singular form. Cats, die Katzen, plural form. We have extra n at the last, die Katzen. Lion, der Löwe, singular form. In this particular word, we have o with umlaut, means o with two dots. This particular letter has a pronunciation of AO. So we call it der Löwe. Then plural, lions, die Löwen, plural form. Again we have extra N at the last position, die Löwen. Cow, die Kuh, singular form. Cows, die Kühe. In plural form we have two changes here. U is with umlaut, means U with two dots, and we have extra e at the last position, die Kühe. Rabbit, das Kaninchen, singular form. Rabbits, die Kaninchen, plural form. As we can see, both the words have the same spelling, das Kaninchen, singular form, die Kaninchen, so there is no change in the spelling. Rat, die Ratte, singular form. Rats, die Ratten, plural form. We have extra n at the last position, die Ratten, rats. Fox, der Fuchs, singular form. Plural form, foxes, die Füchse. Again we have two changes here. U is with umlaut, means U with two dots. This letter has a pronunciation of U, very similar to English, and extra e at the last, die Füchse, foxes. Our next animal is squirrel. The word is das Eichhörnchen, singular form. Squirrels, the word is the Eichhörnchen. As we can see, both the words are completely same. In singular form, we call it das Eichhörnchen. In plural form, the Eichhörnchen. Fish, der Fisch, singular form. Fishes, the Fische, plural form. We have extra e at the last, the Fische, fishes. Snake, the Schlange, singular form. Snakes, the Schlangen, plural form. Extra n at the last position, the Schlange, snakes. Horse, das Pferd, singular form. Horses, the Pferde, plural form. Extra e at the last position, the Pferde, horses. Frog, der Frosch, singular form. Plural, frogs, the Frösche. We have two changes here. O is with umlaut, means with two dots and extra E at the last. The Frösche, frogs. Spider, the spinner, singular form. Spiders, the Spinnen, plural form. Extra N at the last position. The Spinnen, spiders. Giraffe, the Giraffe, singular form. Giraffes, the Giraffen, plural form. Extra N at the last position. The Giraffen, giraffes. Tiger, deer, tiger, singular form. Tigers, the tiger, plural form. Both the words are completely same. Deer, tiger, the tiger. Elephant, deer, elephant, singular form. Elephants, the elephanten, plural form. We have extra en at the last. The elephanten, elephants. Monkey, deer, affe, singular form. Monkeys, the affen, plural form. We have extra n at the last. The affen, plural form, monkeys. Camel, thus camel, singular form. Camels, the cameler, plural form. We have extra e at the last. The cameler, camels. Cheetah, deer, gepard, singular form. Cheetahs, the geparden, plural form. We have extra en at the last. The geparden, cheetahs. Wolf, deer, wolf, singular form. Wolves, the Wölfe, plural form. We have two changes here, O with umlaut and extra E at the last. The Wölfe, wolves. Deer, deer, hirsch, singular form. Plural, deer, the Hirsche. We have extra E at the last position. The Hirsche, deer. Pig, thus Schwein, singular form. Pigs, the Schweine, plural form. We have extra E at the last. The Schweine, pigs. Sheep, thus Schaf, singular form. Sheep, plural. The Schafe, plural form. Extra E at the last. The Schafe. Goat, the Ziege, singular form. Goats, the Ziegen, plural form. Duck, the Ente, singular form. Ducks, the Enten, plural form. Extra N at the last. The Enten means ducks. That's all for today's session. In this lesson, we have seen a couple of words that were really difficult to pronounce and even to retain. So, my suggestion for this topic would be just try to pronounce each word at least twice or thrice and learn the endings that we have in plural forms. Thanks for watching the lesson. Goodbye.